Yes, guys, here's another video of a market. I love markets. I love looking. I could look at a market all day and not even buy anything. I told a friend of mine I might have a new kind of disorder. I could spend my days here just looking. And it's not really about what they're selling, it's the variety. While there may seem to be no discernible order, for instance, shoes, flip-flops, and right next door, food. Nice food. Look at all this food. Ooh. Got crabs. Oh man, look at them! Look at them prawns. Look at these prawns, all different kinds and varieties. Whoa! Things are huge. Squid. Look at those things, man. Look at this fish. Lots and lots of fish. Over here you can get fruits, different kinds. All the different parts. I love this. I love this. Look at that, bell peppers even. Bell peppers. I see something. Oh yeah. Ready for some cooking.
Hello, Mon.
Fresh chickens. Vegetables, lots and lots of veggies, greens. More chickens. This is a chicken factory here. KFC of Cambodia, right there. Have all kinds of condiments and sauces. You get anything. Noodles. I love noodles. I think noodles are one of the most delicious things you can eat. I eat a lot of noodles. Starting to show. Shirts, scarves, ties, different bags, bowls, mats.
Buy something, yes, sir. I want t-shirt.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Uh,
My stuff for you.
I want to.
I have more color. Have sky for you.
You have black.
Black. This one?
Yeah, it says Cambodia, but in black.
មិនណានអង្គរវត្តយើងមានពើខ្មៅដែរនេះអានេះមានពើខ្មៅ
Oh, let's see.
នេះ You like this style, sir?
I like that style. Yeah.
មានអត់
But white don't work because I sweat.
Okay, inside.
I think I might buy me a hat. I need another hat. I've only got one. When you wear it, it sweats a lot. Starting to get those stains around it. Yes. How much? How much one?
$8, sir.
$8?
Yeah.
No. How about
You buy two.
how about $4?
One.
How about $4?
This one quality, sir. $6, okay, good price. $6. Yeah. $6.
Four?
$6.
$4 for my first one.
Okay, $5. That's price $5. And you like this cheaper,
$5.
sir?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, different, sir. You can type different, yeah. Good quality, yeah.
$5?
$5, okay, yeah.
It expands. It'll fit my head. It'll fit my big head.
$5.
I got a big head.
Really, okay, you can have.
Oh, okay. Okay, it adjusts. Just one. I got one, but it sweats. I sweat. I sweat a lot, and my other hat that I brought with me
ឆ្លាញ់មួកនេះតាំងពី
got
សិន
stains.
មួកគាត់មានតា3 4ប៉ុន្តែគាត់ឆ្លាញ់
ស្ទាបមើលសាច់វាខុសគ្នា
ខុសគ្នាគ្រាន់តែ
សាច់បតុង
You got change?
I change.
Change.
មានទេមានអាប់នេះអាប់10 5 10
ក្តាស់ដាក់20មើលមិនថាក្តាស់5ក្តាស់ដាក់រៀល
Thank you. Good luck.
Sir គាត់ต้อง serve one I have XL 2XL
Oh, there we go. Right there. Oh no, I'm good. I'm good there.
XL 2XL happy
No, I got enough shirts. I just needed a hat. I needed a hat bad. Thank you. There you go. New Cambodia hat. I needed a hat. No, I don't need those. I don't need those. I just needed a hat. So you can see here we also got the watches, sunglasses, bracelets. I love a good market. Love a market. Love it.
ពេលដល់ម៉ាក់ចេញទៅធ្វើការជួយបង
These are pretty cool. I love that. I like that. These are not actually Zippos, but they are Zippo-like lighters. For the skulls. Pretty bad.
inside
Thank you.
looking
Yeah, just looking.
what are you looking for
I'm just looking. I was looking for a hat, but I got that.
yes another brand
I needed a hat. Ooh, and and they just keep going and going. This market, I believe, goes all the way around. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try on my hat now. Talk to you guys later.